How to fix this number cannot be used for verification on Gmail account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this problem right here where it says the phone number cannot be used for verification. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to make sure is that you are not using that number on other accounts. So if you think you're using the number on your other accounts, then you will have to remove it from there. So for that, you can just open up your Google application, tap on your profile, and then head over to the account that you think is using your other number. So just tap on Manage Account. Now from here, you just want to head over to Personal Info, and then simply tap on the phone number. And once you tap on your phone number, the very first thing you are going to do is tap on this delete icon right besides the pencil. Or if you want to edit it and change it to another number, you can do that as well. But if you remove it completely, then you will be able to use this number on your other account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.